Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this cool fun fold card with the Waves of Inspiration collection. So here is this fun fold card that was inspired by another demonstrator, and then I did my own take and colors on it using the Waves of Inspiration collection. And so if you want to see what's in the collection, check out my other videos with the other cards. So for this card, I have used the second largest stitched rectangle die to cut out the front of the card base. And then I have used a 12 by 5 1/4 cardstock and scored it at 4 1/8. And then I've used the, let's see, is this the next one? I think this is the third largest on here. And so we're going to stamp, where did it go? The paper with the wave, and that's inside here. And then you can stamp whatever sentiment you want. So I'm going to do that a little bit later, but I'm going to go ahead and adhere this in the card. Oops, this was not the right way. Oh, it doesn't matter because I can just do it this way, right? Yeah. Always flip it the other way, but I do want it to open this way. Okay, got it. So I want it to open that way, same way. Or I guess you could open it this way. Oh, no, 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 no. I want to open it the other way. Okay, so I'm gonna have these going, opening the same way. I'm just going to layer that in there. Okay, and then when I open it this way, because I want it to open this way, and I just want to score this a little bit better. Then I have my gorgeous designer series paper here, and it looks like I'm going to need to trim it. Look how pretty the paper is on the back. Sometimes it's hard to use the designer paper because it's so pretty. Okay, so this is 3 7/8 by 5 1/8 tall to fit in there. And then I've cut out a wave out of the dies, and I'm just gonna add this over to the corner here. So I'm gonna cut off part of the wave here. And pop this little piece out. And then I'm just gonna add, whoops, I wanna add to the front, some adhesive to the front here and to the bottom and to these edges right there. And we're just gonna add this to the front. Okay, let that dry. Just use a block to weigh that down. And then I've got a little pelican or seagull, maybe a seagull here on his little pylon, right? And he is going to go over here on this side. I'm just gonna burnish this edge. And so I'm just gonna put a little bit of glue on the bottom so that he can be peeking out. So we'll put him right about there. got some clouds. I've got a large cloud and the cloud detail from the die, as well as a small cloud and the small detail from the die. And I put these on self-adhesive sheets to make it easier to adhere. So you can just peel the backing off there and then just adhere this on. Okay, and then the fun part is we're gonna use a window sheet. So I'm gonna put a window sheet back here, and then I'm gonna attach the clouds to the window sheet so it just looks like the clouds are floating in the sky. So I'm gonna use some seal. I think that should be strong enough. And then I can put that about there. I think some got on the back. And then I can put some dimensionals on my clouds. And I'm just gonna put them on the bottom of this one. And then on the top of that one. So we'll add a cloud about right there. And then we'll add another cloud over here. Actually, I'm gonna move it over a little bit. Like, no, where did the, okay, like right there. All right, so after you stamp the inside, you have your card, and then you can, there's a lot of layers in there, so you can kind of burnish this down a little bit to try to help keep it closed a little bit. So super fun card. I love the design. And there you go. Thanks so much for watching my video tutorial on the Waves of Inspiration collection. I hope you got some inspiration. And if you did, please like my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And remember to click on the notification bell so that you know every time I go live or post a new video. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time.